हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू दिल की बातें, जहां बातें दिल से दिल तक होती है। मैं आपकी होस्ट दृष्टि, और आज फिर हम एक नए इंसान के साथ आए हैं जो कि बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है। आज के कल्चर में जहां पर डेटिंग इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट हो गई है बट उतनी ही कंफ्यूजिंग हो गई है, आई हैव समवन जो हमें थोड़ा सा क्लियर करेगा। शी सेड दैट शी इज प्री रिलेशनशिप कोच। आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज बिकॉज आई वांट टू नो व्हाट इट इज। सो वेलकम नव्या।
Thank you, Rishti, such a warm welcome, first of all. Thank you for this opportunity as well.
Yes, thank you for coming and helping us out. आई थिंक आज के जमाने में डेटिंग इज सच अ इशू फॉर अस, हमारे जेंजी कल्चर के लिए, जहाँ पे हमें समझ नहीं आता। वी वांट लव बट वी डोंट वांट कमिटमेंट। And now, as a coach perspective, I want to see like what can be the issues that are coming up nowadays. So
Hmm.
let's start with simple thing. That tell us about you, your journey, how you, what you were doing before, and how you came into this field.
Okay, sure. So let me start at like a little prior to what was happening like when I became a coach. So I am basically an engineer. I've completed my BE for 4 years, and then I was into a corporate job as well. First I was a developer, then I came into something called as business intelligence. So that was going really well actually, to be honest. And but I think at the end of like 3.5 years of my career, I started thinking कि okay, like कहाँ जा रहा है ये यहाँ से, like I don't want to end up as like a manager in BI या ऐसा कुछ है ना. And I wanted to do product, but वो बन नहीं रहा था उस टाइम पे. I was so confused कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग. Like I'm not even able to find कि मेरे को ये क्यों करना है. Basically, that question I couldn't answer.
Right.
Okay, this is the path that I need to follow or something like that. But I was like, why would I become a BI analyst or a BI manager or even a product manager as for that matter of fact? So I was really confused at that point of time. So I started by answering this why in the first place, and I could not find an answer as to why I should be a corporate person. हाँ, पैसे अच्छे थे, बहुत अच्छे थे पैसे, स्टेबल था, सब कुछ था. माय
Hmm.
मैनेजर वाज अमेजिंग. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था मेरे जॉब में कि मेरे को छोड़ना चाहिए अभी. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था.
Right.
So I was like, okay, cool. Then if I am not able to find a why, then that is a reason for me to like, look into something else that where I can find this why, right?
Right.
So I am very passionate about travel. Okay. So that's where I started off with. And I got a fellowship with this travel company called Bin Akshikadam. They're based out of Delhi. They're doing amazing work. So I was really intrigued by their philosophy of how a community is so important for people to connect with and stuff like that. And at that point of time, I was living alone in Bangalore. Though I had like college friends and stuff like that. क्यों कॉलेज फ्रेंड्स ऐसे दूर दूर चले जाते हैं ना, वहाँ इधर उधर चले जाते हैं. So I was like, ठीक है, I want to make new friends. I want to like, explore the career part of it as well. Plus, I loved hosting experiences. I loved hosting people at home also. So like, ठीक है, सब कुछ इसमें मिल रहा है, तो let me just try it out. So I cracked that internship and I got in. For 6 months, I did that. And I think at the fifth month, I started feeling very exhausting, yeah, as to what was happening in my life. क्योंकि मैं ऐसे 5 दिन में रूटीन फॉलो करती थी, अपना पूरा हेल्थ वेल्थ सब कुछ ख्याल रखती थी. Sixth day, I had to go for a trip. है ना, 6 to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days, I used to go for a trip. And then I
Right.
come back and I again had to set up my entire routine from beginning.
Hmm.
And it became really exhausting for me. And I was like, I did love the job. I did love everything I was doing. But again, the why of it was still not there. Right. And I was like, okay, this is not something that I want to like pursue for my lifetime. Probably for the short stint, it is good. So then I was really confused. And then a coach named Ronit Ranjan came into my life. And I really love his content, and I started engaging with his workshops and stuff like that. And I got to know that he's hosting a retreat with two other coaches. It's called Life by Design. It's a really good retreat again. So I went to that retreat, and that retreat is where I realized that okay, I want to be a coach. Okay. So
Wow.
that literally retreat is a coaching retreat. It is a coaching retreat as well. But that power, that transformation, that energy that I felt in that retreat was so amazing. It was revolutionary for me. Right. And I was like, okay, this is literally what I want to do. Right. So then I actually walked up to Ronit and I was like, okay, I become a coach, please, like just tell me because I have no idea about what this profession. देन इज लाइक ठीक है, अभी वो तुम हाई में हो सकती हो, रिट्रीट के हाई में हो सकती हो, तो जस्ट गो बैक होम एंड ट्राई आउट 1 or 2 यूडेमी कोर्सेज इटसेल्फ एंड सी कि कहाँ आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, कहाँ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, एंड ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट दैट easy of a profession to be in, first of all, and not like I'm not saying it's a very hard to be a coach, but it's not that easy as well,
करेक्ट।
right? So he suggested that, so मैंने उस like मैं घर गई वापस, अभी भी वो हाई में ही थी, so I was like ठीक है, let me just like settle back into my routine and then do the course. वो मेरे को 1 महीना लगा उसमें, क्योंकि that is when I quit my job. Okay, I did not have like a clear path of like what I wanted to do or something like that. 2-3 options थे, obviously कोच वाला एक option था, और I was like travel कोई एक और chance देते, I was what I was thinking at that point of time. Then I was like, "Okay, cool. Let me just like take a break and stuff like that." And then in December 2023 is when I did that course. And I loved it. I loved how it changed my life first before I could even impact anybody else's life. Right. So that's where it all started, I would say. Right. And this was 2023, right? And 2024 February, I got certified in NLP and life coaching. And since then, like it's been a huge journey, I would say, right? Even like being an entrepreneur is not easy, because you get confronted with so many of your own self concepts. I can't even tell you. I'm pretty sure you would also gone through the same things. And so many fears, so many belief systems that change, so many things. You It is very exhausting, to be honest. ठीक है, ये फैंसी बना देते हैं, स्टार्टअप करके बना देते हैं लोग, बट इट्स नॉट एज फैंसी एज इट सीम्स. It's very, very to get here, right? So when I was doing this, I was trying to figure out कि ठीक है, मेरा niche कौन सा होना चाहिए, right? अभी coaching is a very huge in itself, right? And there are so many coaches doing so many different things. They've carved out their own niches. They've carved out their own specialties that they want to coach in. They've gone deeper into it, right? So I think I wanted to pick like at least one area that I wanted to go deeper into, right? To start with, at least, right? So I was thinking, and this coach friend of mine suggested that I go back to my life and I map out how my journey has been and how I have transformed with what areas of my life, and that could be possibly a niche because I've connected with that area very personally.
राइट।
So I actually did that. I mapped out my life, and there were two areas that were coming up. One was career and one was relationships. दोनों मेरे लिए बहुत ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव रहे हैं. एंड करियर तो आपको पता है, इतना सब कुछ चेंज होने के बाद आई फाउंड माय ट्रू कॉलिंग एंड स्टफ. रिलेशनशिप, बिकॉज आई थिंक आई स्टार्टेड डेटिंग व्हेन आई वाज 13, एंड उसके बाद आई वाज रियली यंग एंड आई डिडंट इवन नो व्हाट डेटिंग और लव मेंट एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. इट वाज जस्ट अ ट्रेंडी थिंग, आई वुड से.
हाँ।
वो भी वो चुपके ही होता था, ऐसा नहीं था कि खुले में हो रहा है ना, बिकॉज माई पेरेंट्स डिडंट नो एंड इट वाज लाइक अ टैबू एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट थिंग. एंड आई वाज रियली यंग, आई वाज इन 8th स्टैंडर्ड, बच्ची थी मैं. So that's where it all started for me, and since then I have been in like two major relationships before I found the one that I have right now. But both of the major relationships were really nice. It was really cute. It was really, पहला तो पपी लव था, फिर बाद में हुआ कॉलेज में थोड़ा सा मेच्योरिटी आ गई थी. बट दैट वाज आल्सो लाइक आई वाज स्टिल एक्सप्लोरिंग माई सेल्फ, right? I was still unsure of myself and I was still figuring out myself in college. So that relationship also ended on that note ki okay, I have not figured out who I am, so I need to just like be in that space of exploring first, right? So wahan se I started exploring. This was in 2020, yeah, right, just before COVID hit, that was. So then like I broke up with my boyfriend, and then I went out and I was like, okay, let's just actually tap into who I am, really tap into what I actually want and not be so confused about what I want in a partner, right? So that there it started. Obviously, COVID में तो कुछ नहीं कर पाई मैं, घर पे ही थी. And I was actually that period was really beautiful for me to just look into myself. That was very beautiful. उसके बाद दुनिया खुल गई, मैं भी खुल गई. That's all that happened. So 2021, 2022, 2023 were literally me just exploring. I have literally done it all. I have been in, you name it, I've done it. You name any of the modern dating things, I've done it. Okay. So I have been in a situationship, I have been in a hookup scenario, I have been in like a proper long-term situationship also, right? तो relationship कभी हुआ नहीं, ठीक है, क्योंकि वो मतलब मेरे अंदर बहुत सारे ऐसे चीजें थे विच आई हैड नॉट एक्सप्लोर्ड, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हेन आई गॉट इनटू थेरेपी। एंड मेरी थेरेपिस्ट ने मेरे से 3 सवाल पूछे होंगे, ठीक है? पहला सवाल था कि डू यू नो व्हाट यू रियली वांट इन अ पार्टनर, ठीक है? आई वॉज लाइक बबली यस आई डू, आई डिड हैव कि हाँ लविंग हो, केयरिंग हो, यू नो, थोड़ा एम्बिशियस हो, थोड़ा इमोशनली मेच्योर हो, ऑल ऑफ these things, right? Just the general things. I also had an idea about it. Then she asked like, do you know what you bring to the table in a relationship? I'm like, no, I had no idea. ठीक है, बिकॉज एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई वॉज डीलिंग विद अ लॉट ऑफ लो सेल्फ एस्टीम, लॉट ऑफ लो सेल्फ वर्थ, कि मैं अब खुद के कुछ भी क्वालिटीज को कुछ कुछ भी आई वॉज नॉट वैल्यूइंग एनीथिंग. सो व्हेन शी आस्क्ड मी दैट आई वॉज लाइक ओके, आई हैव नो आइडिया फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. It is like this is the first time somebody has asked me this in the first place, right? And the last question she asked was, are you emotionally available to yourself? ठीक है? And I was like, I have no idea what that means, because I thought the guy is supposed to do that. The guy is supposed to be emotionally available to me. Right? The guy is supposed to hold space for me. The guy is supposed to do everything, basically, right? And I would just be the princess who was like, getting all the treatment. But then when she asked me these 3 questions and I did not have the right answers for myself, that's when it started changing for me. That's when I started putting in a lot of work into getting this clarity, right? And I got the clarity. I literally, there was a point of time where I made like 2-3 pages of just my qualities कि ये है मेरे में जो मेरे को पसंद है अपने बारे में, right? And the next list that I made was कि मेरे को अपने पार्टनर में क्या चाहिए, right? I wrote down the exact things. I was not ashamed to admit that I wanted a tall man. I wanted probably a fair man. I wanted somebody who is not in engineering, because I that time at that point of time I was like नहीं engineer नहीं चाहिए मेरे को life में, ठीक है? So all of this without any shame, without any guilt, I just wrote everything down, ठीक है? And I left it there. I was like ठीक है, this is my standard that I'm looking for, right? And I will see. ऐसा ऐसा नहीं था कि कोई थोड़ा short हो तो मेरे को नहीं चल, ऐसा नहीं था. It was just a preference, right? It was just a preference, just a standard that I was holding myself to कि मेरे को ये चाहिए भाई, ठीक है? अभी life जो देगा, we will see what will happen with it. Then, yeah, and I went through a lot of tests, I'm telling you, even with this clarity, it's not like कि मेरे को clarity आ गई तो बंदा आ गया मेरी जिंदगी में, ऐसा नहीं हुआ. There were a lot of tests from the universe, I would say, where I mean, the universe did send like a lot of emotionally unavailable people to see if I am able to weed them out, right? See if I'm falling back into my old patterns, to see if I've integrated this new belief system into myself. Right, so ये सब हुआ. And then finally in June of 2023 is when I met my partner, now partner. And he was, yeah, initially on the first date, I did not see it. I did not see that he was everything that I wanted. ठीक है, फर्स्ट डेट तो ऐसा चला गया हमारा कि वो बस बोलते गया और मैं बस सुनती गई. यूजुअली इट इज ऑपोजिट, ठीक है? यूजुअली आई एम द वन हु स्पीक्स अ लॉट एंड द अदर पर्सन इज जस्ट लिसनिंग. बट दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड इन आवर फर्स्ट डेट. एंड आई वाज लाइक, oh, why is he not comfortable with silences? What is happening? These were the thoughts running in my mind. But I gave him another chance and myself another chance to go on a second date, and it changed a lot of things. We were a lot more comfortable. We were a lot more into that ease that हाँ ठीक है, एक बार मिल लिया इस person से, so now I can be comfortable, right? So all of this happened, and I'll tell you, like, the list I wrote, it is exactly manifested into my partner right now. आई डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड और वैल्यू इट एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, बट मेरे को 2-3 महीने के बाद पता चला कि हाँ ये तो मैंने लिखा था, और अभी ये बंदा जो मेरे जिंदगी में आया वैसा ही है.
Wow,
So
wow.
that's what happened, and that's when I realized that, when I mapped this out, when I was searching for that niche, I realized that there were so many things that I learned about myself with that, dating life, with all of the exploration that I've done in my life. But I was very lost, and I thought that if somebody, I had a coach, if like somebody to tell me ki do's and don'ts of dating, I could have probably saved myself out of tears. Okay, क्योंकि मैं बहुत 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 रोई हूँ अपने डेटिंग जिंदगी में, क्योंकि आई वाज एक्सप्लोरिंग, क्योंकि आई वाज गेटिंग इनटू situationships repeatedly, क्योंकि I was falling for emotionally unavailable men, right? And I had no guide. I had nobody to tell me, okay, these are the do's and don'ts of dating. This is how you should hold yourself, right? This is how you should make space for yourself when you're dating another person, to not lose yourself in that relationship. All of these things I had to learn on my own, and I don't want people to go through what I went through exactly, right? I am I'm telling you, yes, it was transformative, but I think if I had some sort of a guide, some sort of a probably just like a piece of paper which would just tell me that okay, this is what you need to do, this is where your work lies, right? It would have been just easier for me. That's all that I thought. So I was like, ठीक है, इसी को नीच बनाते हैं पहले, ठीक है, इसी को एक्सप्लोर करते हैं, इसी पे अंदर मतलब we'll go deeply into this and then we'll see where life takes us is what my thought process was. So that's what pre-relationship is, the work that needs to be done before you get into that healthiest relationship of your life. Basically, that.
Wow, wow. This is amazing. Like from unaware कि करना क्या है to finding your calling. And I think it's a beautiful feeling when you know what you really want to do. Because it's like I have realized that the world has told us कि आपके लिए ना money बहुत important है. But when with money your purpose is been filled, वो खुशी की level अलग हो जाती है. And then from knowing your calling to doing the work and then meeting your partner. So that has been a beautiful journey. But now
Yes.
a romantic part of me is I want to ask कि how do you met your partner? Please please tell us this thing.
Yeah, I met my partner through a dating app, to be
Oh,
honest.
which app?
I met him on Bumble. Yeah, I was
I
in him.
see if you want to find download Bumble now.
So yeah, but there's a lot of weeding out process that you need to do, or else you'll end up with the wrong,
Hmm.
company, I would say, right?
Oh.
So that happened, but then after that, like we did, go through a common friend process where we were hanging out in the same group and stuff like that. There is where we bonded really, but before that, it was yeah, I just got to know about that. Okay, this person exists through a dating app for sure. So that's how we met, and we had our first date in there is this my favorite ice cream parlor called Milano's in Bangalore. That's where I had our first date. It was a very quick date because both of us had gotten off of work, and that was the date that I had interviewed for BNK's internship. Okay, so it was a very stressful day for me, and for him also it had been a really stressful day. And we were like, "Nah, let's just catch up for like 2 minutes, and then we'll see." ठीक है so that date went well. अभी like retrospective it went well. उस टाइम में मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये बंदा इतना क्यों बोल रहा है so yeah.
Wow, wow, wow. That's nice. So I would love to know more about your bonding. कि as a coach and as a girl, like we always have a lot of dreams about marriage because हमें बताया जाता है कि तुम्हारे लिए शादी सब कुछ है एंड इवेंचुअली ना हम
Hmm.
बहुत सपने सजा लेते हैं अपनी शादी को लेकर सो एज अ पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ दैट टेल अस दैट हाउ डू यू थिंक दैट दिस पर्सन जो आपने लिस्ट लिखी थी वन साइड बट हाउ यू डू द वर्क और वो कैसे जो आपकी फेरी टेल थी पहले आप सोचते थे आई वांट दिस काइंड ऑफ लव स्टोरी हाउ डूइंग द वर्क फुलफिल दैट स्टोरी
Hmm. So, Drishti, to be honest, I am a hardcore romantic at like my heart. Okay, because I grew up watching rom-coms. I grew up watching all these Bollywood movies where like the man would do all of these things for the girl and all of these things. Okay, but in real life, okay, I was never that girl where the man would do things for. Okay, I was always this independent girl. I would always give out a lot of masculine energy in me, right? So I never got that experience कि अच्छा लड़का आपके लिए ये सब कर रहा है वो सब कर रहा है ठीक है छोटे छोटे मोमेंट्स थे जहाँ पे like my ex-boyfriends have done a lot of big gestures for me which were very sweet, very well thought of, very like okay नव्या को ये पसंद आएगा kind of gestures, which I really adore, right? But I've never seen anybody like swoon over me or something like that, to be honest. ठीक है but the fairy tale mindset that I had in my mind that everybody had like everything that I watched when I was young had polluted me with that. I think when I started exploring during 2022 like the 2023 time, that's when it came crashing down कि अच्छा ये reality है, मेरे को भी काम करना पड़ता है इस रिलेशनशिप में, ठीक है मेरे को भी एफर्ट डालना पड़ता है. आई शुड ऑल्सो बी showing how much I love the other person too, right? It's not like a one-way street where I get the princess treatment, I'll just relax and they will do all the work. That's not how it works, right? So for me, in all of these situationships, what had happened was I was the one who was a little mature, a little more emotionally aware, a little more able to hold herself together and stuff like that, okay? And the men were not. in when I met his name is Swapnil, my partner's name is Swapnil. So when I met Swapnil, it was a little of role reversal that had happened, where I was the one who was a little messy, who was a little, crying all the time for like little things. He was the one who had everything together, right? So that role reversal and the way he held me through whatever my messy phases were, the way he still chose to love me, even though I was that messy, that chaotic, right? That is what actually sort of healed me. Like, I don't think I've even told this to him because he doesn't know the parts that he has healed in me. Okay? He thinks, yeah, he knows he is important in my life, but I don't think he knows how important he is in my life. Right. So that fairy tale wala thing that I had expected, it totally changed. It totally changed into a mindset where it came to a point where, yes, this is an equal partnership, right? I play a role of probably a nurturer, probably a person who's caring, who's loving, right? And he plays a role of provider, a person who can hold space for me and stuff like that. And at times, these roles will get reversed, where I have to hold space for him. I have to hold space for his inner child, right? And he can be that person, that drama queen, that tantrum throwing person sometimes, right? So it was a very beautiful journey for me and him to figure this out. ऐसा नहीं कि starting से सब कुछ आराम था, starting से सब कुछ it was easy or something like that. No, we've had very ugly fights, to be honest. ठीक है? But throughout all these fights, sorry about that. Throughout all these fights, the one thing that remained constant for both of us that has kept us together is that ठीक है, ये अभी fight हो गया हमारा, अभी next का क्या है solution so that it doesn't repeat, right? So that is the mindset we have always approached everything with, right? So that our conflicts also gets resolved. We have a resolution in place. We have an action plan in place so that does not happen to us again. राइट तो टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई हैव नेवर हैड अ हनीमून फेज या ऐसा कुछ विद स्वप्निल ठीक है इनिशियली से बिकॉज वी आर बोथ वेरी स्ट्रांगली ओपिनियटेड पीपल राइट वी आर बोथ वेरी करियर ओरिएंटेड वी आर बोथ वेरी अच्छा मेरा रूटीन ठीक है तेरा रूटीन सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग राइट वी हैव दीज पार्ट्स ऑफ आवर लाइफ ऑलरेडी इन प्लेस which most of us have nowadays. ठीक है if you're 25 plus and you're living outside alone, you already have a routine in place, you already have your own friends, you already have your own lifestyle, right? For another person to come and fit into it, that's not going to happen, right? There is a push and pull that needs to happen where I accommodate into my routine sometimes and he accommodates it into his sometimes, right? And there conflicts can arise because for the longest time I felt like he's not giving me enough time, ठीक है whereas he was giving, उसके बाद जितना टाइम था उसमें से वो बहुत ज्यादा ही दे रहा था मेरे, right? So I took time to realize that. आई टुक टाइम टू रियलाइज एंड अंडरस्टैंड दैट ओके उसके पास उसकी जिंदगी ऐसा है, उसका लाइफस्टाइल ऐसा है और उसमें मेरे को ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस ऑलरेडी मिल रही है, राइट? दैट ट्रस्ट हैड टू बी बिल्ट, दैट कम्युनिकेशन हैड टू बी बिल्ट, राइट? सो दैट फेरी टेल माइंडसेट इफ वी गो विथ कि अच्छा लड़का आएगा सब कुछ करेगा, आई एम सॉरी द मेन आर ऑल्सो nowadays आर नॉट लाइक दैट. They also want an equal partnership, they also want to be held, they also want to be loved, to be cared for, right? Unlike the men in like our older generation who were just like हाँ मैं पैसे दे दूंगा, मैं कुछ कर लूंगा आपके लिए, आप बस करो अपना करो.
Right.
That's not going to happen anymore, right? Men are modern, women are also modern at the same
Correct.
time. That's all.
Right. Like while you're talking, I can feel how this is healthy relationship sounds like because we haven't seen much in our surrounding. And when you were talking about this, I realized how a powerful Shiv and Shakti combination is. Like when you said that
Mm.
sometimes he healed a lot of part of you because he was has a divine masculine energy and you had this receiving energy that came from through healing. Like आपने जब खुद पे काम किया, you healed some part of you and you allow yourself to receive, that you are ready to receive the love. And I have
Yeah.
seen in my clients as well कि आप जब ग्रो कर रहे होते हो तो आपका जो रिसीविंग एनर्जी ब्लॉक हो जाता है क्योंकि हमें मना करता है, डोंट टेक
मेरा
हेल्प
था
फ्रॉम अदर्स. So
equal block.
so this also stops you from connecting with people as well because आप love या फिर कोई emotion receive करने के लिए भी ready नहीं होते हो. So tell me like if you have gone through something like this जहाँ पे आपको लगता था कि you are not capable of love, प्यार मेरे लिए बना नहीं है, to finally allowing yourself to receive this such a healthy and beautiful relation.
Hmm. So, see, a lot of the women nowadays, we grow up with this concept ki, acha, we should not need anybody to live our lives. Okay, we should be financially independent. We should be independent in all ways, basically, right?
Right.
Because our moms have gone through that phase that they were too dependent on a man, they were too dependent on other people in their lives, and they felt powerless. So they always taught us कि अच्छा आपको independent होना है, आपको खुद के पैरों पे खड़ा होना है, no matter what it is, no matter what situation you are in, right? So they are not saying that, okay, block out love, just be yourself, don't take help from anyone. That's not their intention. But the way we perceive it since we were kids, the way we perceive it is कि अच्छा मेरे को खुद सब कुछ करना है, खुद से करना है, सब कुछ करना है, ठीक है? अगर if I take help, I will be perceived as weak. If I receive help, I will be perceived as weak, right? This is the mindset that most of the women nowadays we have, right? Because we are working towards being independent, we're working towards having our own things, having our own lifestyle, independent of our parents or a partner, okay? So that is the energy I went into this relationship with also, okay? I was very like मैं खुद कर लूंगी, ठीक है? आपका मेरे जिंदगी में होना addition है, need नहीं है. I did go into this relationship that way. ठीक है? Initially, Swapnil or I were not in this divine feminine, divine masculine wala energy. We were all over the place. We were wounded. We had our own things to figure out, right? But I feel somewhere along the line, just being in the relationship with each other, figuring out these things, taking help from people, because I have this coach friend of mine whose name is Bhavya. She had always told me about these dynamics. कि अच्छा, he is coming from a place of a wounded masculine and you are coming from a place of wounded feminine, right? So that's why that clash is happening and you're not able to actually connect with each other, right? So the moment she put this into perspective is when the healing actually started. क्योंकि I had to trust that man to take charge. I had to trust that man to be in my feminine in first place. And I had a lot of trust issues with men. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये भी हमको छोटे, जब हम छोटे होते हैं तब से ही सिखाया जाता है कि अच्छा मर्द को ट्रस्ट नहीं करना है, मर्द को मतलब ऐसे लाइक यू बी वेरी कॉशियस अराउंड मेन, you don't know their intentions. All of these things will be put into our heads because our parents want us to be cautious. They don't want us to like have traumatic experiences into our life. They're just protecting us. But the way we internalize it is that okay, I should not trust men that easily, right? And the society has also proved us again and again, time from time to time, कि अच्छा, we should not be trusting men, right? But ये thought very consciously, every woman has to work on it, saying that it's not all men. Men are also people, and some people are bad, some people are good. And that's the reality of life. Some women are bad, some women are good, some men are bad, some men are good. That's all, right? So this mindset shift I had to bring into my life to actually trust Swapnil to be in my relaxed state, right? To actually relax around in my family, to just be in my family. ठीक है? And for him, the work was कि उसके थोड़े anger issues थे, ठीक है? और वो मतलब he would express anything in terms of anger. That was his part where he had to actually hold space for himself. He actually had to like let those emotions flow, right? So he had to actually soften a bit so that he could be soft for me. ठीक है? So this is one part of it. Now, when this was happening, I relaxed into my feminine so much that I stopped taking charge, stopped making decisions, stopped doing anything masculine. ठीक है? क्योंकि extremes में तो हम जाते ही हैं, ठीक है? Either this extreme or that extreme. राइट, तो मैं उस एक्सट्रीम में चली गई थी कि आई वुड लाइक नॉट डू एनीथिंग, आई वुड जस्ट बी लाइक हाँ ठीक है आप करो, मैं हूं यहाँ पे, ठीक है? सो दैट again, like he was not giving me the princess treatment, but I was taking it from him, but by not making the decisions that I wanted to make, right?
Right.
And this started reflecting in my business क्योंकि तभी like I had started my business, तभी like I had to make a lot of decisions in my business and there was nobody holding me accountable for it,
Right.
right? There was no boss telling me कि अच्छा ये डेडलाइन है, आपको यही इसी डेडलाइन में करना पड़ेगा, right? So Swapnil's healthy, that divine masculine that he came from, actually started telling me that, bro, what are you doing? You've totally given up on your masculinity. You've totally like become dependent on somebody else to take charge of your life. That's not how it's going to work. A healthy relationship में आपको दोनों को बैलेंस करना है, आपके खुद को masculine और feminine को बैलेंस करना है. At the same time, the way that you are portraying your masculine and feminine with the other person needs to be balanced as well, right? Because they need to be soft, I should take up the position of being the masculine, right?
Right.
If they need to be masculine, then I can soften,
Right.
right? So that balance here and that balance within my own self relationship is very important, right? So the way he held me accountable for, like, just taking charge with my business, just actually bringing some structure into my business, all of these things he helped me with, right?
Right.
And that's where like our relationship sort of gotten deeper, because then is when we started talking about, अच्छा तेरा क्या ड्रीम्स है लाइफ में, ठीक है, तेरे को कहाँ जाना है यहाँ से, लाइक ठीक है तू कोचिंग में आ गई, अब तो यहाँ से कहाँ जाना है, what is the purpose that you're looking at, right? And I also started asking him these questions कि वो तो अपने करियर में बहुत खुश है, ठीक है, he is into growth and marketing and is very happy with where he is right now, right? So I also started asking him कि अच्छा यहाँ से कहाँ जाना है आपको, like what is your dream, what is the next step for you, right? So all these deeper conversations we had then, right? We had a lot of conversations around money because he has grown up with a lot of different money beliefs than I have, right? And this was clashing a lot for us, right? So we started understanding each other's beliefs, understanding where we come from, understanding where our work lies, right? And then started working on these things. ठीक है, एक पॉइंट तो ऐसा भी था कि वी एक्चुअली टुक अ ब्रेक फ्रॉम ईच अदर, ठीक है, वी टुक अ ब्रेक फ्रॉम ईच अदर बिकॉज इट वाज गेटिंग टू मच, क्योंकि हम रिपीट तो कर रहे थे ना पैटर्न्स अपने, ऐसे ऐसे तो नहीं चेंज कर सकते हम लोग, ठीक है. So we actually took a break from each other, we got some perspective, we got some work done on ourselves, and we got back together, right? So a couple needs to have that dance, that flow between the masculine and feminine, right? And that masculine and feminine needs to flow in you as well, right? So that's when the relationship actually becomes healthy. That's when you'll be able to communicate things, you'll be able to share things, you'll be able to feel that emotional safety. There are still areas that we are working on, right? कोई भी ऐसा, ये इंस्टाग्राम और सोशल मीडिया ने ये बहुत कर दिया है कि अच्छा एक पर्सन आपके सामने ऐसा आ रहा है तो दैट पर्सन इज टू बी परफेक्ट, कुछ भी गलत नहीं हो सकता उस इंसान में, उसको अपना डिवाइन मैस्कुलिन में होना चाहिए ऑलरेडी, उसको डिवाइन फेमिनिन में होना चाहिए ऑलरेडी, कुछ भी वुंड्स नहीं हो सकते उनके. दिस इज द पिक्चर दैट एवरी रील दैट पेंट्स ऑन इट्स सोशल मीडिया, बट दैट्स नॉट ट्रू. People will never ever come like that. They will have their own wounds. Some wounds, though, I had some wounds which I didn't even know that I had. Relationship only exposed those wounds for me. तो द आइडिया कि एक पर्सन को परफेक्ट होना चाहिए वेन एवर दे आर रेडी फॉर अ रिलेशनशिप, इट्स नॉट अ गुड आइडिया, आई वुड से, राइट? द आइडिया नीड्स टू बी मोर लाइक, ओके, इज दिस पर्सन विलिंग टू वर्क ऑन देमसेल्व्स, right? Is this person willing to actually hold that commitment, right? Commitment is not just giving the word ना, commitment is not just saying कि हाँ मैं तेरे साथ रहूंगा, commitment is also कि मैं रिश्ता निभाऊंगा, जो मैं जहां पे मेरे को काम करना है मैं वो करूंगा. दैट इज ऑल्सो कमिटमेंट, राइट? एंड दैट कमिटमेंट नीड्स टू बी फ्रॉम द वुमन ऑल्सो. शी कैन नॉट जस्ट बी लाइक, हाँ ठीक है तुम कर, मैं तो बैठने वाली हूँ यहाँ पे चिल करने वाली हूँ, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. तो दैट्स द वे दिस masculine feminine energies, not male female but masculine feminine energies, come into the picture in a
Wow.
relationship.
I think you pointed out the important things. Firstly, I would say कि when we talk about how we have perceived the relationships of our parents, and somewhere I have realized recently, it was never about dependent feeling कि हम किसी पे dependent है, but dependent होने के बाद how they make us feel, like how we see our dads talking to our mom. It's like
Hmm.
वो बहुत कहीं जगह तो मैंने देखा है they talk like वो servant ही है. एंड वी
Hmm.
डोंट वांट दैट फीलिंग, हमें वो फीलिंग नहीं चाहिए थी कि हमें कोई ऐसे ट्रीट करे. दैट्स व्हाई बिकेम सो हाइपर इंडिपेंडेंट.
True,
Then
true, definitely.
even at some point I was so hyper independent that I became the man in the relationship, like in my own relationship. And that eventually I realized that no, this is something we're all living a trauma and trauma journey, and we have to change it, we need to change it. And eventually I realized in my own journey, like as we're explaining it, how you both come together, helped each other grow. But in my case it was like a past relationship. आई रियलाइज व्हाट आई वाज डूइंग वाज कि आप हम जब मूवीज देखते हैं तो हमें लगता है ना कि एक ही इंसान आएगा और उसी के साथ पूरी लाइफ देखनी है, बिकॉज हमें मूवीज में यही देखते हैं कि एक ही बार प्यार हुआ और आप उसी के साथ पूरी जिंदगी जी रहे हो. बट इवेंचुअली आफ्टर अ लॉट ऑफ ईयर्स आई रियलाइज कि नहीं, दैट पर्सन वाज नॉट राइट फॉर मी, एंड दैट्स टू व्हेन जब उसने मुझे छोड़ा. इट वॉज नॉट मी, बिकॉज मैं तो इतनी ट्रॉमा बॉन्डिंग कर चुकी थी. तो आई वॉन्ट टू नो फ्रॉम योर परस्पेक्टिव एज अ कोच एंड एज समवन हु हैज एक्सपीरियंस्ड ऑल दिस थिंग, हाउ वी विल नो कि किसी इंसान के साथ जिसको ऑलरेडी अपने ट्रॉमास हैं, हमें उसके साथ साथ में रहकर ग्रो करना चाहिए या फिर हमें टाइम रहते अलग हो जाना चाहिए.
हम्म, ठीक है. सो दिस एज इन हाउ यू स्टार्ट डूइंग आपका खुद पे काम, है ना? दैट्स व्हेन यू विल स्टार्ट रियलाइजिंग कि देर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज इंट्यूशन विच ड्राइव्स यू. ठीक है. समटाइम्स देर आर थिंग्स दैट यू कैन स्टे इन द रिलेशनशिप फॉर योरसेल्फ. ठीक है. देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स लाइक दैट कि if the other person is very forgiving, right? If the other person is able to hold that space without compromising themselves in that, in that journey when you are working on yourself, right? तब तुम कर सकते हो, साथ में रहकर कर सकते हो, सारा काम कर सकते हो, राइट? बट एक पॉइंट ऐसा आता है, सब सारे रिलेशनशिप्स में ये आता है, ठीक है, कि you cannot be with that person without compromising your own respect, yeah, the way you hold yourself, right? सो दैट इज व्हेन थोड़ा सा आपको ब्रेक लेके, थोड़ा सा आपको टाइम लेके खुद पे काम करना चाहिए. ठीक है. बिकॉज अदरवाइज व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट पर्सन इज डूइंग द वर्क. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो इम्प्रूव नहीं कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, बट उनको भी तो टाइम लगेगा ना, चीजें चेंज करने में, चीजें समझने में, चीजें अप्लाई करने में, इंटीग्रेट करने में टाइम लगता है सबको, राइट? यू कैन नॉट बी लाइक, अच्छा अगर स्वप्निल ने एक दिन मेरे पे गुस्सा किया और मैं बोल दी उसको कि ऐसा तू गुस्सा नहीं कर सकते, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो अगले बार हम जब झगड़ेंगे गुस्सा नहीं करेगा. ठीक है. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर हिम, राइट? थोड़ा सा लाइक कम गुस्सा कर सकता है वो. ठीक है. इट्स फॉर मी टू अंडरस्टैंड, ओके देयर हैज बिन प्रोग्रेस, okay, but it's also up to me to see where I want to draw boundaries. ठीक है. If that behavior is something that I can still hold space for, I will hold space for it. I will be like, ठीक है, तो I know you're working on yourself, तो कर ले अपना काम, मैं हूँ. ठीक है. Or else if I am not able to hold that space for him, ठीक है, क्योंकि मैं भी तो इतना इमोशनल, मैं तो भगवान थोड़ी ना हूँ कि सब कुछ माफ कर दूं, है ना? So if I am not able to hold that space for him without compromising my own energy, my own respect, then I will very respectfully tell him ki I think this is the time where we should take a break. This is the time where, you should focus on your journey and I should focus on my own journey. ठीक है. This crossroads will come at every relationship, and relationship is not like अच्छा ये लड़का ये लड़की है तो ऐसे ही जाएगा पूरा. It's like अच्छा you'll go separate ways, you'll come again, you take a break again, come again. ठीक है. Because life is not constant ना. Everybody has to deal with some or the other changes, and these changes might be in, yeah, for you as a couple, or might be just in your partner's life. ठीक है. Where they have to deal with that, with a situation. You can only support, you cannot deal that situation for them, right? So that is when all these conversations come into picture, कि कब ब्रेक लेना है, कब नहीं लेना है, कब ब्रेकअप ही करना है, right?
Hmm.
All of these things, that's when it comes into picture कि अच्छा changes आ रहे हैं इसमें, और how can I hold space, or can I even hold space, right?
Right.
When they are also going through change and you are not able to hold space for something or the other, it also reflects on you कि अच्छा क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Is a boundary getting crossed? Is some trauma getting triggered? Is a pattern that I have had in my own life getting triggered कि I am not able to hold that space for him,
Right.
right? So all of these questions are also introspective for us, right? And as a couple, if you want to get through these times, this is the way that you need to lead with your intuition. You need to get to know yourself that much कि you can lead with your intuition.
Right.
वरना तो सब, आजकल तो यही तो हो रहा है कि कुछ भी झगड़ा हो गया, कुछ भी चेंजेस आ गए लाइफ में, तो वो बोल देते कि नहीं होगा, लेट्स जस्ट ब्रेक अप,
True.
right? That's not how it works. That's you will never be in a adult relationship for a really long time at that much time. You'll just be breaking up for like what, in 3 months only you'll break up,
True.
right? So that's how it is.
Right. Now I can feel like I think the you said the major thing you noticed was कि intuition से अगर हम lead कर पा रहे हैं, like things will be there if you can notice a little bit change, but more than that, trust your intuition, how it
Yeah.
leads you. And in today's world, जहाँ पे intuition तुम्हारी पूरी खत्म हो चुकी है because we are so much external, how as a coach you can tell us that how to build that intuition कि हम उस चीज पे trust कर पाए.
सो सी, द पहली बात तो यही है कि यू जस्ट नीड टू एक्सेप्ट योर सेल्फ इन ऑल योर ग्लोरी. ठीक है. intuition will only work for you. See, I was not a person who was very intuitive from the like, मैं ऐसे, कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनके इंट्यूशन बहुत स्ट्रांग होते हैं सिंस द टाइम दे वर बॉर्न, राइट? आई वॉज नॉट वन ऑफ दिस पर्सन, राइट? आई कुड लाइक, सब बोलते थे कि गट फीलिंग पे ट्रस्ट करो, गट फीलिंग, मेरे गट में कोई फीलिंग नहीं था, ठीक है? ट्रस्ट करने के लिए कुछ नहीं था वहां, ठीक है? सो आई ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू गो विद माई हार्ट कि अच्छा, मन दिल को अच्छा लग रहा है ये तो मैं कर लेती हूँ, ठीक है? क्योंकि गट में तो कोई फीलिंग है नहीं, अभी मैं क्या ट्रस्ट करूँ, ठीक है? तो दैट इंट्यूशन यू कैन डेवलप इट इवन इफ यू डू नॉट फील इट राइट नाउ, ठीक है? एंड द वे यू डेवलप इट इज, first of all, a lot of compassion for yourself, ठीक है? If your voice, that voice which keeps saying that, "Okay, you're not enough, you're this, you're that, you're bad, you're a failure," whatever that is, right? That voice is your inner critic voice, right? That voice is the strongest when your intuition is the weakest, ठीक है? Because if that voice is there, then there are parts of you which you are not able to accept, राइट? सो अगर इंट्यूशन आ भी रहा है तो देन यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू एक्सेप्ट, बिकॉज यू विल डाउट इट, यू विल बी लाइक, अच्छा ये कहाँ से आ रहा है, आई हैव नो आइडिया, ये मेरे से आ रहा है, ये मेरे इंट्यूशन से आ रहा है, ये मेरा इनर क्रिटिक बोल रहा है, यू आर ऑलरेडी इन कंफ्यूजन ना, कि इतने सारे वॉइसेस चल रहे तो किसका सुनोगे तुम, राइट? सो दैट्स वेयर दिस कम्स इनटू द पिक्चर कि पहला स्टेप इज सेल्फ एक्सेप्टेंस एंड सेल्फ कंपैशन, ठीक है? तुम एक दिन नहीं कर पाए, ठीक है? योर इनर क्रिटिक वॉइस विल ब्लो अप सेइंग दैट, अच्छा तू तो ऐसी है, तू तो मोटी है, तू तो कुछ नहीं कर सकती है, राइट? इफ यू जस्ट सिट विद दैट वॉइस a little and ask, where are you hurt, why are you saying this mean things to me, right? You will get answers, you will get answers, and then you will be able to witness that the inner critic is also being more accepting of your journey, ठीक है? दिस इज वेयर मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल स्ट्रगल विद व्हेन इन देयर हीलिंग जर्नी, इज वो कर रहे हैं, सारा काम कर रहे हैं, सब कुछ हो रहा है, देर इन थेरेपी, देर इन कोचिंग, देर डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ वर्कशॉप्स, देर रीडिंग अ लॉट ऑफ बुक्स ऑन लाइक ट्रॉमा एंड etc, बट द मोमेंट दे आर हार्ड ऑन देमसेल्व्स, ऑल दिस वर्क विल गो टू शिट, ठीक है? सो दैट सेल्फ एक्सेप्टेंस एंड सेल्फ कंपैशन नीड्स टू कम इनटू द पिक्चर, कि ठीक है आज नहीं किया बट आई ट्रस्ट माई सेल्फ टू डू इट टुमारो, right? So when this self acceptance and self compassion come, then comes self trust, ठीक है? when this self trust comes कि अच्छा लाइफ में कुछ भी हो जाए मैं हैंडल कर लूंगी, मैं हैंडल कर लूंगा, ठीक है? जो भी डिसीजन है, आई नो आई विल मेक द राइट डिसीजन फॉर माई सेल्फ, right? If you're able to confidently say this, right? If you're able to confidently say, instead of triggering your flight or fight response, instead of that, if you're able to come back into safety, then your intuition will start speaking to you, ठीक है? बिकॉज तब तो आप सुन सकते हो, तब तो इतना एक्सेप्टेंस है, इतना सेफ्टी है कि आप सुन सकते हो, ठीक है? बट दिस पार्ट दैट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क, इट टेक्स टाइम ऑल्सो, ठीक है? क्योंकि एक दिन में होने वाला नहीं है, एक महीने में भी नहीं हो सकता है,
Correct.
right? This takes time. So what I did when I was already doing this work is that I started making one decision every day, one small decision every day, by talking to my gut. I literally was like, अच्छा आज खाने में क्या खाना है, आप बोलो, मैं सुनूंगी, आप बोलो। पहले तो कुछ नहीं आ रहा था, पहले तो आई वॉज लाइक, ओ probably it is there, I don't know, ठीक है? बट slowly as my work also progressed, ठीक है, this gut का voice also started, like I could hear it,
Mm.
ठीक है? Your gut mostly will just say yes or no. It will not say कि यही खाना है वही खाना है, नहीं बोलेगा वो, ये करना है वो करना है नहीं बोलेगा, ठीक है? It's mostly yes or no is what I have experienced in my life with my
Mm.
intuition. मैं अगर कुछ dilemma में हूँ कि probably this program मैं launch करना चाहती हूँ कि नहीं करना चाहती, right now there is a no, you're not ready. That's what it is saying. I am like, okay, cool. I will listen to you and see where I'm not ready for. What am I not ready for? Right? So that much safety, if you inculcate, तभी आएगा intuition. अगर if your world is just filled with fears and external influences, कोई intuition नहीं आने वाला, क्योंकि you are just listening to the external voices. तुमको internally जो भी voice आएगा तुम नहीं सुन पाओगे उसको, right? So it's the most important step is to go inside, have that acceptance, have that respect for yourself, to just listen to yourself.
Wow.
That's all.
That's beautiful and I've explained. But I think trusting your own self is the biggest game thing. Because
Very-
we have never been taught that. And when you started any journey, and that you find it most hard to believe in yourself. आपको पता होता है like इवन आई टॉक टू माई क्लाइंट्स और समवन, तो मैं उनको बोलती हूँ कि आपने क्या गलत किया, दे वर लाइक हमें पता था हमें नहीं करना चाहिए, समथिंग इन अस वाज टेलिंग अस कि हमें नहीं करना चाहिए, बट वी फाइंड इट हार्ड टू डू इट बिकॉज कोई और हमें कुछ और बोल रहा था।
हम्म।
तो ऑल इन दिस, अब जब ये देखते हैं हमें जो समझना है, हाउ एज अ कोच यू हेल्प योर क्लाइंट्स टू डील विद दिस, एंड हाउ एज अ प्री रिलेशनशिप कोच यू हेल्प योर क्लाइंट्स विद रिलेशनशिप एज वेल।
हम्म। So, see, somewhere or the you are always born with self trust. ठीक है, every baby is born with self trust. That's why it knows कि आग में ये नहीं डालना है, हाथ नहीं डालना है. That's why it knows कि अच्छा मैं गिरूँ तो मेरे को कैसे उठना है. ठीक है, all of this the baby already knows. ठीक है, most of the things the parents don't teach the baby. The baby only will teach the parents कि अच्छा मैं ऐसा रहूंगी तो ये है, वैसा रहूंगी तो वो है. ठीक है, सो द बेबी ऑलरेडी नोज, एवरीबडी इज ऑलरेडी born with सेल्फ ट्रस्ट. ठीक है, बट एज एंड हाउ यू ग्रो अप दीज फियर्स इन लाइफ ऑब्वियसली दे कम इन. ठीक है, एक बार जल गई हाथ तो नेक्स्ट टाइम यूल बी लाइक ओ शिट फायर. ठीक है, लेट मी नॉट पुट माई हैंड इन टू इट. ठीक है, सो the way that we are, especially our generation, the way we are taught to handle problems is to not have them in our life. ऐसा नहीं है कि पेरेंट्स हमको एक्सप्लोर करने देते हैं कि अच्छा बेटा आप ये करियर ऑप्शन एक्सप्लोर कर लो, वो करियर ऑप्शन एक्सप्लोर करो, आपको जो ठीक लगे वो ले लो. बोला जाता है कि तुम इंजीनियर बन जाओ, कि तुम डॉक्टर बन जाओ, कि तुम वो नहीं करोगे, बिजनेस नहीं करोगे, या जर्नलिज्म में नहीं जाओगे, बोला जाता है हमको. ठीक है, और जब वी आर ऑलरेडी ग्रोइंग अप विथ व्हाट पीपल आर टेलिंग अस टू डू, तो वो ट्रस्ट कहीं ना कहीं चला जाता है खुद पे, खुद के डिसीजन मेकिंग कैपेसिटी पे. ठीक है, तो what I do with my clients is the simple process is this only to just gain their trust back, right? Very small steps में you can do it. You cannot make yourself big promises on day one and expect yourself to fulfill it. क्योंकि आपका inner critic तो voice तो strong है ना अभी भी. It's not going anywhere. Till your self trust is coming back, the inner critic voice will constantly be there. Every time you feel insecure, that inner critic voice will be there, right? So what I do with my clients is that this is a very beautiful exercise. Anybody can do it. ठीक है, आप सुबह उठ के या रात को सोने से पहले just promise yourself one small thing that you're going to do. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरा प्रॉमिस यूजुअली स्टार्ट्स विद ये वाला बॉटल मेरे को खत्म करनी है कल. ठीक है, दैट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल प्रॉमिस एंड आई कैन डू इट, एंड दिस इज नॉट अफेक्टिंग एनीबडी एल्स अपार्ट फ्रॉम मी. मैं पानी पीऊँ तो मेरे को ही अफेक्ट कर रहा है, मैं नहीं पीऊँ तो भी मेरे को ही अफेक्ट कर रहा है. ठीक है, so such a small decision that you make in the night or in the morning as soon as you wake up and you fulfill it by the day. ठीक है, within the day finishes you fulfill it. ठीक है, ऐसा बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं, जैसे कि you can just say कि okay in the evening I will go for a walk today, right? Very simple things, right? Probably somebody wants to like wake up early in the morning or something like that, so 10 मिनट मैं पहले उठ जाऊंगा कल, राइट? सो ऐसे सिंपल थिंग्स इफ यू स्टार्ट डूइंग एवरी डे ऑन एन एवरीडे बेसिस, वो थोड़ा सेल्फ ट्रस्ट वापस आने लगता है. ठीक है, टू अ पॉइंट वेयर यू विल बी एबल टू लिसन टू व्हाट यू आर सेइंग. ठीक है, बहुत सारे लोग थेरेपी में होते हैं, कोचिंग में होते हैं, लाइक खुद पे काम कर रहे होते हैं, बट कहाँ पे उनका प्रोसेस अटक जाता है इज when they have to confront themselves, when they have to talk to their inner child, when they have to talk to their inner teenager, they will not be able to connect with them. क्योंकि वो सेल्फ ट्रस्ट होता ही नहीं है कनेक्ट करने के लिए. कैसे अपना चाइल्ड, लाइक कोई भी बच्चे को अगर आप लाइक आपके कजिन के बच्चे को या दोस्त के बच्चे को अगर आप जाके एक्सप्रेस कर लाइक अप्रोच करोगे ना, वो डर जाएगा, थिंकिंग दैट ये कौन है, मेरे पास क्यों आ रहा है. Right? That is how disconnected we are with our inner children, right? So to build that connection, that trust needs to be there, that the kid can trust you. ठीक है, तो you slowly approach them step by step, right? So this is how you slowly build थोड़ा सा self trust in yourself, ताकि तुम वो उनके साथ कनेक्ट करके डीपर वर्क कर सकते हो. ठीक है, so this will be the first step with my clients, and the second step will be to actually go to the wounds where they are with their inner child, with their inner teenager, with their probably their adult self, probably their 20-year-old self, 25-year-old self, right? So wherever the wounds are, we go there, we actually talk to their self, and we get to know ki acha where we wronged them, where they felt life was unfair, where they learned this behavior of just listening to somebody else because it's just easier. right? So this is the process, and वहां से like it's different for every client because everybody's wounds are different, everybody's experiences are different. So that's where everything changes. But the first process is mostly the same कि पहले तो आपको self trust थोड़ा सा build करना ही पड़ेगा so that you can connect with your child.
Right. That means we have a process of healing first, like going through our traumas, and then you help them to manifest the partner they want.
Yeah, that's
And
how it
how that
works.
process look like?
So basically, see, once you start getting connected to your inner child, the client will start realizing कि कहाँ पे गलती हो रही है. Where are they not able to hold space for themselves? Where are they feeling ashamed? Where are they feeling guilty?
Right.
Right? So all of these things the client will start experiencing in their life, right? And then they will only start seeing कि अच्छा ये belief system जो मेरे में था, that was coming from this place, and this is no longer serving us.
Right.
Right? So the one by one, the belief system itself changes. The self-esteem changes. The self-worth that they perceive changes. ठीक है? Once you step into that power, तुमको पार्टनर चाहिए, तुमको करियर चाहिए, तुमको कुछ पैसा चाहिए, सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. ठीक है? Because it is literally about empowering yourself, about holding space for yourself and balancing the masculine and feminine. ठीक
Right.
है, ये तुम कर लोगे अपने लिए, राइट, यू विल बी एबल टू मैनिफेस्ट एनीथिंग बिकॉज यू आर एनर्जेटिकली देयर, यू आर एनर्जेटिकली कि हाँ मेरे लिए हो रहे चीजें, मैं काम करूं उन पे कि नहीं करूं, हो रहे चीजें मेरे लिए, right? And see, with this thought, right, things are happening for me, the universe is working for me. With this thought, if they start leading their lives, what are their actions going to be? They're going to go into the world feeling like, yes, I am the most magnetic self, right? They're going to start going into the world with action, with literally no fears, and they're going to start taking charge of their life. They're not going to be in that victim mentality saying that, yaar, ye kyun ho raha hai mere saath, wo kyun ho raha hai mere saath. They will not be,
Right.
right? So all of this will eventually result in choosing the right partner for themselves,
Right.
right? Because now they're not acting out of their fears, now they're not acting out of desperation, now they're not acting out of any, belief system that they no longer have to have, right? They're acting out of empoweredness, they're acting out of confidence, they're acting out of self respect, self belief, that कि ये relationship चले कि नहीं, मैं तो अच्छी हूंगी, मैं तो संभाल लूंगी अपने आप.
That's a game changer thing.
Exactly, right? So if they're going into the dating pool, if they're going to like, meet an arranged marriage prospect with this kind of mindset, right? They are for sure going to choose because उनके पास already clarity है, ठीक
Hmm.
है? उनके पास already confidence है, ठीक है? खुद पे भरोसा है, और क्या चाहिए?
Correct. Wow.
That's about it.
That's nice. I think what you put on is कि अगर हम खुद के ऊपर इतना काम कर ले that we know कि we are enough कि if someone is coming to life वो उनका luck है. They are
Yeah,
lucky that they are having us, and that's
yeah.
how things change. हम खुद में I think mostly in society we are told that how much कमियां we have. Like तुम्हारा कलर ऐसा है, तुम्हारा वेट ज्यादा है, तुम्हें कौन भाव देगा, थोड़ी पतली हो जाओ. Especially in girls, I have seen this कि if you are have a little more weight than the ideal weight society told you, आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आपको अच्छा लड़का मिल ही नहीं सकता बिकॉज आपका वेट ज्यादा है.
True.
Right?
मेरे खुद की लाइफ में ही हुआ है, ठीक है? लाइक आई वाज इन माय 11th एंड 12th, ठीक है? एंड आई लाइक हिट प्यूबर्टी इन लाइक 5th स्टैंडर्ड, ठीक है? तो वहां से लाइक आई यूज्ड टू प्ले रेगुलरली, बास्केटबॉल में थी, ये वो खेलती थी, तो माय वेट नेवर लाइक वेंट अप उसके बाद, राइट? बट आई थिंक इन 11th एंड 12th क्योंकि हमको कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में फोकस करना था, तो ये सब रुक गया मेरी जिंदगी में. आई हैड पुट like I was weighing 61 kgs at that point in time. That's not even fat. That's
Hmm.
not even fat. If I look at it retrospective, that was not even fat, but I was made to feel fat. I was made to feel that I've gained weight, that
Especially to
this weight is
mother,
not
our mothers
healthy.
do this.
For me, everybody did it. ठीक है? Because I was a very lean kid, right? I
हाँ.
was a very lean kid. मैं इतना ज्यादा खाती नहीं थी, आराम से रहती थी मैं, ठीक है? But I was made to feel that okay, I've gained a lot of weight.
Right.
I am fat now, right? So once it came into my own mindset कि I am fat, I was like अब तो क्या ही है, तो मोटी हो ही गई हूँ मैं, ठीक है? अभी क्या ही है, क्यों ही काम करने में मेरे को अपने ऊपर. Let me just be, let me just be, let me just be fat. right? So this is the mindset that came into my life literally, and it changed only recently. It was not even like changing like for what 10 years of my life I was like this with this mindset,
Right.
राइट एंड ये लड़कों लड़कों के साथ भी होता है, लड़कियों के साथ भी होता है। लड़कों को बोला जाता है कि नहीं तू बहुत ऐसे पतला है, तो वो बहुत लाइक you're not tall enough to get a really good looking woman or
Oh,
really beautiful woman. Both
true.
genders have it in their own ways,
Right.
right? These beliefs that are put into us कि आप मोटे हो इसलिए आपको लड़का नहीं मिलेगा, आप काले हो इसलिए आपको लड़का नहीं मिलेगा, आप अनपढ़ हो इसलिए आपको लड़का नहीं मिलेगा, all of these are beliefs that are put in by the society because they want to believe that.
And then healing is unlearning all these beliefs.
All of these
Believing
beliefs.
that you are deserving of the love. You are, because you are here, you deserve the love. That's it. No
Yes.
reasons why you should deserve
No
love.
reasons. No reasons. And this is also a pattern in a lot of our childhood कि अच्छा हम अचीवमेंट करें तो ही हमको प्यार मिलेगा,
True.
अगर हम कुछ करें अपनी जिंदगी में तो भी हमें अप्रिशिएशन मिलेगा, तो ही हमें प्यार मिलेगा, राइट? सो
Right.
दिस इज ऑल्सो लर्न बिहेवियर फ्रॉम आवर चाइल्डहुड। आई एम नॉट सेइंग आवर पेरेंट्स आर डूइंग इट फॉर द सेक ऑफ डूइंग इट। उनका वो इंटेंशन नहीं है, उनको बस ये करना है कि अपने बच्चे को पुश करना है ताकि वो
Right.
अच्छा बन सके जिंदगी में। बट द वे इट कम्स आउट टू द बच्चा इज दिस कि मैं कुछ अचीव करूं तभी मेरे को प्यार मिलेगा,
Hmm.
राइट? मैं ऐसा दिखूं तभी मेरे को प्यार मिलेगा, इफ आई ओनली आई एम स्मार्टर देन माई सिस्टर तभी मेरे को प्यार मिलेगा,
True.
राइट? सो ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स हैव दैट इफेक्ट ऑन दैट बिलीफ ऑफ what love is and how we have to be to deserve that love, right? And especially for men तो ये बहुत ज्यादा है, right? In if they're not in a good job उनको like इनसे कोई शादी नहीं करेगा,
Oh,
if they're not in a respectable job, right? In a respectable job, as in like there's so many people who call like fitness trainers not respectable, right? There's so many people who call coaches not respectable. There's so many people who call these थोड़े से feminine वाले professions not a man profession, not a respectable
oh,
profession,
true.
right? So all of these things are just going to hit on their confidence कि उनको अच्छा पार्टनर मिल सकता है,
Right.
right? And they feel so pressurized to just be that man, be that like macho man, या like
Yeah.
all these society set वाला man, कि उनको भी वैसा ही लगता है जितना women को लगता है इसको इन सब चीजों को लेकर, उन men को भी इतना ही लगता है।
Right, right. Getting it. So I think we in our generation वो beliefs इतने बढ़ चुके हैं कि we have stopped believing in love. We have stopped believing the idea of love. And that's why we need to come up with the healing wala part that why we deserve love. Like it's just we exit we need love, but to that
Yeah,
make that belief in our system is a big deal. And
true,
that's
true.
what healing and coaching are doing nowadays. People find it hard to explain कि exactly how we can help them. They're like ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So how do you deal with such people who tell you कि अब करते क्या हो exactly?
See, there are people who are ready for coaching, there are people who are not ready for coaching, ठीक है? सबकी जिंदगी में एक पॉइंट तो आता है when they feel like okay they need help,
Hmm.
okay? If they're able to cross that stigma and come to a professional, their life will change sooner than the other people, ठीक
Right.
है? तो सबके लाइफ में आएगी for sure. Either they go to a therapist or a coach and get it done sooner so that their life is beautiful and they don't have regrets in life, or life will teach them through life.
Right.
So that's how two ways that you can learn things, but जो आपको इस जन्म में सीखना है आप सीख के ही जाओ for sure, ठीक है? This is the for sure. So I go with this base belief कि okay some people are not ready for coaching, ठीक है? I do want to help them, I do want to be there for them, I do want to hold that space for them where they can heal, right? I cannot ऐसे like घोड़े को आप पानी के पास ही ले जा सकते हो ना, पानी तो उसको ही पानी पीना पड़ेगा
Hmm.
eventually, right? So this is the base belief I go with. But during our clarity calls, during our like consultation calls, जो भी objections आते हैं ऐसे कि what can you do that will make a difference in my life, right? What can you change that will make a difference in my life? So what I do is that कि वो मेरे पास आए हैं because they also know something is not working in their life, right? First step is to identify what that something is, ठीक है? And second step is to get get them to a place where they have a vision for their life, ठीक है? सबके पास होता है एक विजन। अब मेरे को ऐसा वाला करियर चाहिए, मेरे को ऐसा वाला पार्टनर चाहिए, ऐसा वाला जिंदगी चाहिए, मेरे को बस ट्रैवल ही ट्रैवल करना है, मेरे को इतना पैसा बनाना है, राइट? दिस इज द विजन दे हैव, राइट? बट दैट विजन एंड दे वेयर दे आर करेंटली आर पोल्स अपार्ट, ठीक है.
Right.
So how I show them is the step by step way to get there, ताकि उनको लगे कि अच्छा ये मेरे पास एटलीस्ट स्ट्रक्चर्ड प्लान तो है. ठीक है. No, healing doesn't happen in structures. Healing doesn't happen like that the way we imagine it to happen. But for a person who's very new to coaching, for a person who's very new to just this experience of अच्छा somebody else is helping me with something related to my life, ठीक है, उनको ऑलरेडी वो स्टिग्मा है कि मैं वीक लगूंगा इनके सामने. ठीक है. आई हैव टू बी वल्नरेबल विद दिस पर्सन विच आई एम नॉट विद माई सेल्फ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. Right? So for these people, you cannot just like jump into saying that, yeah, मैं ये कर दूंगी, मैं वो कर दूंगी. For sure not. Right? Because उनको belief ही नहीं है ना खुद पे. So for them, it's better that we go step by step and we show them probably a rough journey map saying that, अच्छा, देखो अभी these are the obstacles that you have to reach that vision that you have for your own life. Right? So this is where I come in and where I can give you probably some tools, probably some realizations, probably some breakthroughs that you can have through the journey that will get you to this vision of your life. Right? So this is you're just bridging the gap. That's all. That's all that you as a coach can do, first of all. Right? And that's what I promise my clients also, that I can just hold this space. The work needs to be done by you.
Right.
Right? So only if you're aligned and ready to do that work is when you need to step into the coaching. If you need a little more time, it's okay. Take time. कहीं पे कोई भी भाग के नहीं जा रहा है. तो काम करना है इस लाइफ टाइम में, वो तो होगा ही for sure.
Correct. Yeah,
That's all.
that's a beautiful way to start with someone who is doubting कि उनको क्या मिलने वाला है. Nice. So now I want to know it from a your personal experience, that you have dated a good range of people and
Mhm.
then you have been into a serious relationship. So what do you suggest someone if someone asks you what is a good way? Like I know I am someone who always had this idea कि एक ही बार प्यार होता है, तो you should date only the one person you meet. But then I have friends who say कि there's a fun in exploring. You know more about yourself. You know what kind of people are there. So I want to know from your perspective that what do you suggest and you think about both the things?
Okay. So in my own journey, I have explored. ठीक है. मेरे को भी जब मैं 8th स्टैंडर्ड में जब मैंने डेट किया था, मेरे को भी लगा था, oh, this is the person I'm going to marry. I was literally calculating the number of years that I would be in a relationship for before we get married. तब तो ऐसे 23-25 पे शादी हो जाना चाहिए थी मेरे दिमाग में. ठीक है. सो मेरे को ऐसे लग रहे थे, अरे यार 10-20 साल ऐसे रिलेशनशिप में होंगे, मस्त होगा मैं अपना जिंदगी. ठीक है. दिस इज व्हाट आई थॉट. Right? But obviously that this thing only shattered, that vision only shattered once we broke up. Right? Then I was like, oh, okay, this is not how life works. And I always had my brother also to thank for this, because he would also put these things into perspective for me. Right? He would put that you're really young, you don't know what these things are. Right? I was very open with him, and so he would know the people I would date. Right? He would like put these things into perspective for me. He would say कि अच्छा तुमको लग रहा है परमानेंट है, but ऐसा नहीं होता है काफी बार. Right? So he gave me those things when I was really young. Right? Then once I started exploring on my own and stuff like that, I did have a lot of fun, because as you said, I did not learn a lot of things about myself. कि अगर मैं डेट पे जा रही हूँ, तो how am I looking? How am I behaving? What are the things that are coming into mind? Am I a good conversationalist? Right? Am I an extrovert? Am I an introvert? बहुत सारे जन को लगता है कि वो इंट्रोवर्ट है क्योंकि they don't mingle with people. They just need the right people to be an extrovert with. Right? So ऐसी चीजें तुमको खुद के बारे में बहुत सारा पता चलता है. ठीक है. Now, for the people who feel like they want to just date one person and end up with them only, if you have that kind of clarity, क्योंकि मेरे पास तो नहीं था, इसलिए I started exploring in the first place. इसलिए I started seeing कि okay, what are the kinds of people are even there, and what do I need in my life, what do I not need in my life, all of these things, right? You have that clarity in your life already कि आपको ऐसा ही इंसान चाहिए आपके जिंदगी में. So why not? Why not? Right? You can even learn these things about yourself during a relationship also.
Right. That's
Right?
a beautiful way.
Yeah, but for me it was always there कि I didn't want to have regrets कि मैंने explore नहीं किया
Hmm.
when I had the chance to. Right? I did not want to have this thought इन द बैक ऑफ माई माइंड कि मैंने चांस नहीं लिया, मैंने रिस्क नहीं लिया, ये वो नहीं किया। कोचिंग एज अ डिसीजन ऑल्सो केम टू मी लाइक दैट कि मेरे को रिग्रेट नहीं करना था कि मैंने इसको एक्चुअली 100% चांस नहीं दिया। ठीक है। एंड always this person who did not believe in arranged marriages because my parents have also had a love marriage. ठीक है।
Oh,
And I've not seen a lot of happy arranged marriages around me. Right. So I was also under this impression ki, let's actually find somebody for myself before my parents had to search for it. So
right.
that's where it all started with. And I loved exploring. I loved every moment of exploring myself through dating. And I would definitely highly recommend it. But I understand that people are different, right? People can take different approaches to end up at the same result. And that's really cool. ठीक है। बट आपको बस ये पता होना चाहिए कि आपको आपके पार्टनर में क्या चाहिए और क्या नहीं चाहिए। ठीक है। इफ यू डू
Right.
नॉट हैव दैट एक्सपोजर, प्लीज डू एक्सप्लोर। ठीक है। व्हेन आई से एक्सप्लोर, यू डोंट हैव टू get into hookups, get into one night stands. I'm not saying any of that. Okay, but see, my partner is not a person who has explored in that way. I have explored. Okay, my partner is a person who has explored in dating itself. Like he has dated quite a bit times to understand his own patterns, to understand his own situations. Okay,
Right.
he has dated seriously only. He has not dated ऐसे चुमा चुमा whatever shit करके. ठीक है, I think he's only had like 2 flings in his entire life journey, right? And he's always been that person who would want to date seriously, who would want to make that person their person like for a lifetime, right? He was coming from that perspective. So it's like whatever approach you choose, just have clarity before you settle with somebody. That's about it.
Wow, I think that's the beautiful answer I have heard, because I think the dating is something a stereotype in our society कि
Yeah.
आपको एक ही बार में सेटल हो जाना चाहिए। बट देन वी आर लाइक आई थिंक जो एग्जाम्पल जिंदगी वाले दैट मूवी वाज देयर कि एक
Hmm.
चेयर आप ढूंढने में इतना टाइम लेते हो, तो आप एक पार्टनर लेने में इतना टाइम तुरंत क्यों, आप एक ही बार में कैसे हाँ बोल सकते हो? सो आई थिंक दैट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल वे यू एक्सप्लेन। Okay,
Hmm.
so now we are going to have this rapid fire. I will ask some questions from you and you have to answer it like turant se.
ठीक है।
Okay. Okay. One word that describes your life.
Adventurous.
A book that changed your life.
This book called The Alchemist.
Oh. One belief you live by.
One.
Belief you live by.
Once you know your true self, a lot of things open up for you.
That's nice. A favorite song.
फेवरेट सॉन्ग भाई मेरा कोई फेवरेट सॉन्ग नहीं है। नथिंग इज पॉपिंग अप बिकॉज आई लिसन टू अ लॉट ऑफ जॉनर ऑफ म्यूजिक।
First thing you do when you wake up.
आई राइट।
I
आई
write.
राइट, जस्ट राइट, दैट्स ऑल।
One advice to our listeners.
वन एडवाइस टू द लिसनर्स। ठीक है। तो आपको जो भी जिंदगी में करना है, ठीक है, प्लीज लेट इट नॉट बी ड्रिवन बाय फियर, शेम, गिल्ट। ओके, दीज आर वेरी repressive feelings that you have in your body, and please do not go by these feelings. If these decisions that you're going to make in your life are going to make you feel empowered, are going to expand, look at my body expanding when I say that. If you're feeling that way, that is the right decision for you, no matter who's saying what, go for it.
One habit you want to change about yourself.
One habit. So during my periods, I usually do not go on walks or like work out or something like that. But I think I want to change it. I feel it's high time that I like normalize it for me कि ठीक है मैं light activity तो कर सकती हूँ during my periods. So yeah.
Yeah. Perfect, perfect. I think we really had a very beautiful, beautiful discussions. It went literally deep. जितना हमने सोचा था उससे ज्यादा ही वो deep चला गया. But I think it was quite helpful because nowadays we are just looking for something, but we don't know what we want.
Yeah.
And exploring is something stereotype in our society. So we need to change it. And your perspective will literally help a lot of people who will be watching this. So
I really hope so.
if someone wants to talk to you regarding the same, or they want to have this coaching around their like relationship, how they can contact you?
Just drop a DM on my Instagram. That's the best way to reach me. ठीक है। I will reply as soon as possible on Instagram क्योंकि मेरा WhatsApp भी इतना लेट देखती हूँ, but Instagram I usually keep in touch with, right? So
Perfect.
DM me on my Instagram. It's now is the time without any underscores or anything. It's just all small letters. Now is the time. So just DM me there and you will get things that you can look forward to.
Perfect. We will share all the details about Navya in the descriptions, so you can definitely contact her. Thank you so much, Navya.
Thank you, Drishti, for this opportunity.